Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 10 of the May Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Let's actually scroll down. I usually say that. But one thing I wanted to point out was that you may notice on the bottom, there's this keystroke. It's just so you could see it. People sometimes ask me what I type. Usually you see most of it because it's on the web browser, but just so you know. Anyway, today's problem is count primes, and as usual, I do solve these live. So if it's a little bit slow, skip ahead, watch on 2x, do whatever you need to do. Okay, so count the number of prime numbers less than a non-negative number. Wow, there are 8 hints. What is going on here? I would say this one is a little bit weird because it goes to 5 to 10 to 6. So the ideal way to do it is just do it once and then use the same quote unquote pre-cached answer in all your tests, but maybe sometimes it's not always easy. And because of this and the running time on Leetcode and stuff like that is a little bit awkward. But was it 5 times 10 to 6? Was that 5 million? Wow, that's actually kind of hard. That's a lot of things to store in memory. Usually I would say, yeah, I mean, but the standard way of doing this is just gonna be prime Civ. I don't know how Aristoteles. I'm probably saying it incorrectly, but that's just a Civ. Let's see. I'm trying to think. Why is this end so large? I might actually run out of time, even if I do the Civ most of the time. I'm gonna take a look at some hints just to see what they're. Because I mean, why I say that is that because I actually know. I mean, some of it is that this is just a little bit of a mind reading. I don't think this test case is going to be that complete, but the test cases they give you, it's a little bit of a guessing game of how. Because you can imagine that if I do something that goes to 5 times 10 to the 6, but you know, if there are 100 cases on that, it's going to time out no matter what. So that's basically what I'm saying, and I'm going to take a small hint in knowing that. Okay, this is not a small hint. This is the Civ, and this is what I was talking about. With okay, fine. I mean I know how to do it, so I'm not going to look at it that much. I just thought that there'll be a smaller hint, to be honest. But yeah, let's implement it the dumb way, and then we'll see if we can or we have to implement it a smarter way. So yeah, let's just say primes is equal to force times was it n plus 1 for n inclusive. Yeah, non-negative numbers n, right? Less than. Okay. Yeah, less than, so we can just do n. And then prime, is just 4. Okay. Oh, actually, technically, this is all true. Whoops. We said primes of 0 is equal to primes of 1 is equal to 4. And then now we start by just for x in range sub n, I guess. Oh, n plus 1. Well, it doesn't really matter, I guess. But if prime sub x, I guess this is actually does matter because this is not inclusive for some reason. If this is a prime, then you go out and you keep on doing it until it is not, right? So I is equal to x, while I is less than n. Oh, whoops. I'm gonna do it a little bit. I mean, so there's a technically you start with 2 times x, but you can do some proves to yourself that this is good, and technically you're supposed to do this, but I think you can also just do this. Whoops. For reasons that you can maybe do the math on, because every other number is going to be multiplied by 2, but I'm just going to keep it simple for now. Yeah. And then now just return. I'll do it. Forget how to do whatever. Yeah, let's just do a for loop. Oh. I guess I could just check it here as well. Count is equal to 0. And let's start this at 2, by the way. Count What are the test cases? It's 10.01 and what is it? 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, whoops. Oh, okay. Obviously this is true, but yeah, if and is return 0. I think that's the only case where that's wrong. Maybe not. That looks good. I'm going to just check one case to make sure that is less than strictly, which is if you give it a prime, because I think that was a little bit unclear on this problem. So okay, so it is good because it's 2, 3, 5. So let's give it a submit. There may be micro optimizations here, but we'll see how fast that goes. Okay, so this is accepted. Like I said, the problem with Leetcode is that they don't tell you how many test cases they give you. So, but the TLE is based off the sum of those test cases, right? So it's a little bit clear that by this constraint it is sufficient that it's going to be fast enough. But it turns out that the CIF is fast enough. You want to read up on it, I guess. Look at, yeah, hint 8, which is a little bit too much of a hint. But I guess it's hint 8. I was just too lazy. Yeah, so look up CIF. This is going to be O of n space and O of n log n time. The proof is there. I'm not going to go over it too much. You can, do summation. And this is, for competitive, this is definitely important and well known and something that you should know. But for interviews, I can't imagine number theory comes up that much. So I wouldn't worry about it that much. But it's hard to say. But, I'm just saying that if you have other things to prioritize, then prioritize other things. But otherwise, yeah. That's all I have for this problem. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the typing thingy. Bye. Anyway, yes. So, yeah, have a great rest of the week. It's Monday. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, and stay good, stay healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.